Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix a deactivated Instagram account. Alright, so for those people who do not know what deactivating Instagram is, it's basically like deleting your account but also not deleting your account. And most people don't know how they can reactivate their account once they deactivate it. It's pretty simple. The fix of deactivating your account is to reactivate it, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want the step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. So the easiest way to reactivate or fix a deactivated account on Instagram is to log in into your account. Now, let's say you just deactivated your account. If you try to reactivate your account within like the 2 hours of deactivating your account, it's not gonna work. After deactivating your account, you need to wait for at least 2 hours or 24 hours to reactivate your account. So I deactivated my account 3 days ago, so I'm going to reactivate it. So I come to my login page of Instagram and I'm going to enter my details. So I'm going to enter my login detail. And as you guys can see, after entering my login details, I've logged in into my account over here. My account has been reactivated. It's that simple. Alright, now I didn't show you that I entered my passport because that's for privacy reason, but once you try to log in into your account after 24 hours of deactivating your account, then it should be reactivated. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can reactivate your Instagram account. It's that simple, or how to fix a deactivated Instagram account. And for sometimes, like trying to reactivate your account in the app doesn't work. If you try to log in into your account and it didn't work, then just close the Instagram app, go to your browser, and on your browser you want to go to this website called instagram.com. alright, so search for Instagram and click on instagram.com. It's gonna take you to the official website of Instagram. From there, try to log in into your account and it will be activated. Alright, sometimes there's gonna be a problem in the app which doesn't allow you to reactivate your account, so you can use the browser version as well. So that's how to fix a deactivated Instagram account. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye.